A man becomes meaner when he doesn't want you anymore, but a woman becomes calmer when she doesn't want you anymore. Let me explain. These days, men don't walk away. They'll just hurt you enough so you leave, then play the victim like they did nothing at all. He'll trigger you on purpose so when you finally walk, he can flip it and make it look like you are the problem. But see, a woman gets calmer when she doesn't want you anymore, because she gave everything to make it work, but when she decides to leave, it's because she knows you won't change. She already made noise when she wanted to stay, but you didn't listen. She won't leave you for another man. She'll leave you for her sanity, her self-respect, her peace.
I don't love his whole vibe, but I don't think I'm his audience, so that's okay. But I actually think at the core, he's not wrong.
Really?
Like, I don't think he's completely wrong. I think there are some men who don't really have the courage to end a relationship by saying, hey, I am no longer happy. This is no longer meeting my needs. I don't feel the way that I think I should. And what they do is they just sort of push and push and push and fail and fail and fail until the woman goes, what's going on? They go, well, I guess if you're not happy with me, then we should end it then, as if it was her decision. So I've seen that happen many times. And so I get that. And the idea, which is not related to that, but I see that he's sort of putting them together, which is okay, is that when a woman is still passionately engaged in fighting for the relationship, it means she's still emotionally invested in it. I think that's true. The opposite of love isn't hate. Those are both powerful emotions. The opposite of love is indifference. So when a woman gets super quiet, I agree. You're probably in trouble, man. Because if she's upset at you and she's expressing that upset, it means that there's still a chance. Like, she feels like there's some value in pointing out to you that she's unhappy with you. Like, she's saying, hey, pay attention. Look over here. There's something going on, right? Whereas if she just gets completely quiet, and I don't mean like what's wrong? Nothing. Like, no, you're saying something's wrong. But if she just goes dark on it and quiet and no longer shares her emotional state with you and no longer gets upset when you're just going out doing whatever the hell you want to do and no longer cares enough, listen, that's pretty severe. Like, that's usually an indication that things are terminal at that point. The idea that, like, I don't think about you at all. Like, that is the ultimate disrespect. That is the ultimate nail in the coffin of a relationship that's over, is when the person just doesn't care anymore what you do, that they don't think about you at all. They've never heard of you. It's as if you don't exist. That's the real sign. So I think there's value to this. I don't know that I could do a whole like half hour or hour of that guy's vibe. But I think that, he's got something in there, which is pretty good.
I guess my thought is just the stage before that, maybe? I wouldn't use the word calm to describe a woman.
No, but I'm giving credit to the theory that what he's saying is that like a woman who's upset at you is still emotionally involved. Right. And when she's passed through that to the point where now she's just goes dark and quiet on this, it may be that it's dead now. Like, it's so far gone. Like, she had the passion, she had the anger. There are some people that see anger in a relationship as like not toxic. Like, I hear this a lot from people. They're like, oh no, you have to fight in relationships, because if you're not fighting, it means that